Hello friends, welcome to CAD Master PTC Creo tutorial series. We will learn Extrude in this video. Extrude is used to convert 2D sketches into 3D model. We can go to Extrude option by going to Extrude in Shapes panel and then selecting the plane where we will sketch, and we can get Extrude, or else we can go to Sketch environment and then extrude the sketch we made. So first selecting the plane, sketch view, we will make a center line, escape, and selecting the line we will draw sketch. Escape using the mirror command, as our sketch is already selected, and selecting the center line, say escape. Make sure that our sketch is closed and does not have any open ends. So our sketch is closed, say OK. Now our sketch have been made, so let's select Extrude. We can see this have become into solid part by holding scroll button and moving our mouse. We can see the extrude. So our sketch have been converted to solid part. Now here are the options. First is Extruded Solid. As we can see, our sketch have been extruded as solid. The next is Extrude as Surface. By selecting it, we can see our sketch have been extruded as an surface, keeping it solid. Then here you can see a box, and here are options available. First one is Extrude from Sketch. So we can see this extrusion have formed from our sketch plane. Second option is extrude on both sides. So from the sketch, our part will be extruded on both sides of the sketch, keeping our sketch in middle. Then we will go back to sketch from plane, so we need extrude from our sketch plane. Now here in this box we can edit the value of extrusion, say 200, and click over here. You can see we can give the value to our extrude. Also we can change the extrude value by clicking on this yellow point and then holding it. We can see the extrusion is changed. If we want the extrude on either side of the plane, so here is the button. By clicking on it, we can change the direction of extrusion, or else we can select this arrow and click on it, so the direction will be changed. The option next to here is Thicken. So it can give thickness to our sketch. In this box we can put the value, and with this button it will give thickness to our sketches, like in outside direction of sketch, inside direction of sketch, or on the both sides of the sketches. So this option gives thickness to our sketch. Deactivating it. Now here is the pause by clicking on it, our command will stop working. By clicking again on it, it will resume. By clicking on it, it will stop showing any preview. As we can see, it is only showing the sketch. By second option here, we can see unattached preview. The next option is attached, so we will get an attached view of extrude of our sketch. This last option will show the actual extrude that have been done of our sketch. Again resuming the tool, and if we are done with our extruding and say if our extrude command is complete, so check OK, or else you can close the command. So I said OK, and here our extrude is prepared. If I want to edit this extrude, we can go into navigation bar, right click on extrude, and here we can see edit definition option, something sign like this, edit definition, click on it, and we can get back in the environment of extrude tool. So we can edit our extrude. Say OK. Now I will select this perpendicular plane, say sketch, say sketch view. Now I will draw one circle over here. Something like this. Press escape. Check our sketch is closed. Say OK. And press scroll and move the cursor. You can see our sketch is being prepared over here. Select extrude. Now let's see, as our extrusion is in solid, so we got this as a solid, or we can select it as surface. Now here more new options have been appeared. As first one is extrude from sketch. So by editing value, we can extrude it. By mid plane, the extrusion will be on the both side of our sketch. The next option is extrude up to next surface. So our sketch will extrude up to the next surface. Like from this sketch, this surface is next to it, so it is extruding over there. The next command is extrude to all surfaces. So as we can see, our circle have been made over here, and it is now extruding to all surfaces up till the last one. Next option is extrude to select surfaces. Selecting that option, and if I want to extrude till this surface, so I will select it, and as you can see, it got extruded till that surface. If I want to extrude till this surface, so extrusion will happen over there, or if I want to extrude till this surface, last one, so we can see the extrusion up to the required surface can happen. The last option is similar to this second last one, selecting it. Now if I want to extrude this entity up to some point, edge or line, so it can extrude up to there. If I select this edge, so you can see our circle have been extruded till this point. Or if I want to extrude this circle up till this point, so I will select the point over here, and you can see the point have been selected and extrusion had happened over there. So keeping back it as blind. Now in options, you can see as in one side the extrusion operation is happening, similarly on the either side of our sketch we can perform same option like blind, then to next surface through all means till the last surface, through until means whichever surface we will select till there it will form the extrusion, to selected similarly like the point. So I will keep it through all and similarly we keep it through all. Now this option you can see is remove material. With help of this we can remove the material as well. From our extrusion you can see with this help of circle we have removed the material, and by switching it off you can see our extrude is back. With this extrude command we can extrude our sketches as well as remove material like this, and then we can see the preview and again resuming it and say OK. So in such way we saw the use of extrude. Thank you for watching the video.